贝斯，又被搭讪了。看这个摄影师在给贝斯拍照，就是我们订的酒店会偶送一个拍摄服务，大概30分钟到1个小时。我这位师傅的普通话不太好，有时候我都可能听不太懂，更不用说贝斯了。哦呦，现在有点下小雨了。看，我已经滚得差不多了。好了，放到这个了，9个了。好了，该选照片了。
So I haven't got many photo shoots in my life, but that was definitely the fastest photo shoot I ever got. He was like, and his Mandarin was really hard to understand.
Yeah, even for me.
Yeah, and he was really impatient. He was like, quickly, quickly. But yeah, we got it. He got me to do some poses, and he just sent them to our phone directly after, so we have the pictures.
Yeah, so fast, like 10 minutes to finish.
Yeah, just for a few pictures. And now it's raining.
Yeah,
But that was funny.
And he's gone.
And then before that, 2 girls came up to us and they were like, "Whoa, ni ting dong ma," and then they spoke to me in Chinese. Said,
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, they were cute.
What a nice day.
Yes.
And we're so lucky, right? Now it's raining. We enjoyed the
Yeah,
whole
we
time.
enjoyed the weather
Right.
earlier. It's raining a little, but I think not much.
Yeah, it's fine. Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whenever you go on the beach, there's always somebody trying to sell you something, right? Whether it's like jewelry, which is a common one, or clothes or something. And now in Sanya, we have people trying to ask us to take pictures for us, and we pay them like 10 baht for each picture. So many people keep asking us like, "Do you want to take a picture?" And we're like, "No," and then they come back. So yeah, it's kind of annoying, but so many people do this business in Sanya. I see so many people do it off the beach.
Yeah.
So I've been saying since we arrived yesterday that I wanted to drink a coconut, and now we found a place. We just went and got one. It was only 10 yuan, and he opened it, and now we're drinking it. Tastes amazing. Nothing better than drinking coconut on holiday in a sea city. So amazing.
Where you bought it?
From food shop.
Where's it?
Oh, it's here. You want to see? Do you want to see?
So close, right?
Actually, they have really nice mangoes here. I think maybe tomorrow we can buy a mango.
Yeah, we can try next
They look so
time.
fresh.
Yeah.
Let's go to the hotel now, and we're gonna go swimming soon and look at our amazing hotel room again, and we'll show you guys. Now we just arrived at hotel number 2, and you can see here that they have a beautiful mountain view and so many hotels. This construction area, I said before, they're probably making new hotels, who knows. China's always building something. And yeah, we were really lucky because we got another room upgrade. So yeah, we're just so lucky this trip. Probably because it's not peak season, it's not like school holidays. Yeah, so that's really good. Come inside and see. When we saw it, we were amazed. It's so big, isn't it? It's so big. Bathroom. Yeah, it's just so big. Amazing. The bed looks really comfortable again. Let's see if it's as soft as last night's. Just really like living space here. It's really cool. A desk. I don't think we'll be studying this trip. Do you?
Yeah. What's this?
This is a coconut that we just bought. Let me drink some. Okay, and I think the best part is the balcony. Let's go. Seriously, a bathtub. I always wanted to go in a bathtub on a balcony abroad. I don't know why, I just thought that's only for rich people, and this is the first time I stayed in a room that had a bathtub.
And your favorite animal?
Yeah, an
elephant.
elephant. Come on, just lying here, take pictures, like relaxing. But it must be cold water, right, not hot. And then look at this view, oh my gosh. You can see our pools. We have like a professional serious swimmer pool, right? And then the kids pools and slides, and then really big adult pool. This looks really fun. And can you see in the middle here, this is like a bar, and they had people performing at the bar. So yeah, we're so lucky, right?
Yeah. Ah, the view is so beautiful.
So nice. The hotel name is Wyndham, right?
Oh,
It's a
对，
famous brand.
这是我们住的酒店。
So from our new hotel balcony, we can see last night's Spanish-style villas. It's got the red roof and the white paint, the white building. That's so funny.
Yeah, that's-
so close.
这是我们昨天晚上住的酒店，就在旁边。
This is the sea view. The view goes on for a long time. The beach and the sea is really long. It's really cool to ride the bike and look at this amazing view. Yeah.
你这要切几个椰子
3个。
？3个椰子吧。
这是你的那个梨肉汁。
啊，好，谢谢。
It's gonna taste really good.
3个椰子汁。
So now we're at Grandpa's coconut chicken restaurant. It looks amazing. They put fresh coconut into the pot and then we cook the chicken inside. Coconut chicken is like a famous dish in Sanya, so we're really excited to try it. And we have some coconut milk here, which tastes so good. Yeah, this is different from usual hot pot. This is coconut hot pot.
海南粽子。好了，这个海南粽子，里面是猪肉馅的。
Yeah, meat and the salty egg, the one you like. Actually, it tastes much better than the cheap ones from the Alta store.
好吃吗？
Salty. Oh,
还可以蘸一些酱料，这样吃味道更好。
It's like orange. Like
Seriously?
fresh. Yeah. Like citrus taste. Should I try to eat this?
Yeah. Oh,
The
you're
leaf,
hungry?
the leaf.
Leave. Yeah, sure you can. I'm joking.
The texture is not good.
Oh, it's so chewy, right?
Yeah. You definitely, that sauce is like orange. You try it. So now we're about to try the famous coconut chicken dish. It smells amazing. Honestly, just the smell. Okay. You think it's gonna burn me?
Yeah, let's try.
Ready?
What's the flavor?
It's good.
Coconut 吗 ？Coconut flavor 吗？
It's Indian. It's just a bit different because I thought it's like a different chicken than I ate before. Like it's not soft, it's a bit hard, but it's still
Yeah.
good.
You can dip the sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah, dip the sauce makes must be taste better.
Sauce better. It's good.
Yeah.
You try.
我来试一试。
So I found the reason it tastes citrusy. Maybe this is a lemon seed or another citrus fruit seed. That's why it tasted like oranges to me. It's so good. I know in a lot of cooking, like curries and Indian cooking, they use coconut milk for curries, but coconut water is like the first time I ate it, I think, with the meat. But yeah, it's so good. It really complements the chicken, makes it softer.
味道真不错。
And the sauce, citrus sauce and coconut chicken together. Very good.
You should drink the soup first.
Yeah, that's sweet.
吃鸡前先喝汤，这个汤就是完全的椰子味，有一点甜。
Oh, I'm so proud. Do you think we can cook this at home?
You can try. Well, looks like no hard, right?
Yeah, it's
Just
easy.
yeah, just 3 coconuts and mix some chicken, boil it for 3 minutes, right? Yeah.
Why so fast?
3 minutes.
Yeah,
Because it's local special chicken.
true. Actually, I think this is very, very good. It's different. It's like kind of fresh tasting. Well, it's fresh tasting. Yeah. I give this 9 out of 10. You know?
Yes, I think around 9, right? If we no bones, it would be definitely 10.
I agree.
Yeah. 就是骨头有点多，吃起来有点麻烦。如果没有骨头的话，我会给10分。第一次吃椰子鸡，椰子味的鸡，也算是当地的一种特色。这是虾滑是吗？
鱼豆花。
哦，鱼豆花。
鱼的豆花包括制造的，它吃起来口感是很溜滑的。
Only one.
10秒就好了。
Seriously, this is what happens when I try and be cool.
It's fine.
Can I put all of it?
Just get all of them.
This is what happens when you take a foreigner to eat Chinese food.
I really like meats.
It must be similar to haidilao, like 10 seconds. It looks almost finished now already.
Yeah. I think now it's good.
Wow.
Yeah. Let's try.
Okay.
Okay, we'll try first.
Okay, ready?
Ooh, it's good.
Yeah.
Sauce.
Let's see if it tastes like haidilao.
Let's see which one's better.
Maybe that one's better.
Which one
It's
better?
very good. This one.
Really?
It tastes more lean, less fat, I think. I know fat tastes good, but sometimes too much. Or maybe it's the sauce, I don't know.